Hi everybody, it's Mr. A with AlisalCAN Community Arts Network and Alisal Union School District. In this video, we're going to introduce another musical term that can be a little tricky to pronounce. How do we think that we would pronounce this word right here? Arpeggios, because of the two G's? Nope, this is actually pronounced arpeggios. Two G's together makes a J sound, arpeggios. Let's click on it. And when it brings us to this screen, we're going to see a colorful circle. We're going to see some colored lines and some option buttons. The first thing I'd like you to do is click the right arrow twice. It's going to bring you to this simple screen right here of 4 colored lines. Let's click the play button in the middle and listen to what an arpeggio sounds like. That's pretty nice. This is the sound of a harp. Option button over here shows a picture of a little harp. We click on it, and it will change the sound to piano. Let's keep that for now. Let's click the pause button, and let's look at what an arpeggio is. We've got our yellow line here, blue line here, kind of greenish line here, and another yellow line here. This black selecting shows us that we are playing a C arpeggio. C arpeggio. What that means is that this is a C, this is a note above C, this is a note above that, and then this is another C again. If you remember from the chords video, 3 notes were selected every time we clicked on the piano keyboard. Those 3 notes are shown right here with our 3 different colors. The 4th one right here is just another C on top of that. When you take a chord, which is the notes stacked on top of each other, and play them one at a time, that is called an arpeggio. Tune into part 2 of arpeggios, and we'll talk about the color wheel and some other options. See everybody soon. Bye-bye now.